How's it going, YouTube? My name is Blake Yarbrough and welcome to my channel. Here on my channel you'll find unboxings as well as in-depth and honest reviews of the most recent sneaker releases. I travel to events like SneakerCon and discuss trends from the past and the present. My cat growing up was actually named Nike. In high school I worked a few different jobs so I could afford to purchase shoes more often. In 2008 I started college and got a job at Finish Line, and that's when my collecting really began. And that's just a little bit about myself. I'd love if you join me on this journey by subscribing as I chase my passion for sneakers.